Have you ever wondered why you keep waking up again and again at night? Even when you're tired? You fall asleep easily, but 2 hours later, you're wide awake. If this happens often, your body might be giving you a signal, a nutritional imbalance that few people ever talk about. And surprisingly, the solution might be sitting right there in your kitchen. The humble tomato. Stay with me till the end, because once you start using tomatoes this way, you might sleep peacefully through the entire night again. Tomatoes are more than a salad ingredient, they're a night rest secret. They contain a unique compound called lycopene, along with potassium, magnesium, and a touch of natural sugar that helps calm your nervous system. When used the right way before bed, tomatoes help your body regulate melatonin, the sleep hormone, and reduce nighttime awakenings. But here's the key. You can't just eat them raw and expect miracles. There's a simple preparation method that activates their sleep-promoting properties. Step 1. Lightly cook 1 medium tomato in a teaspoon of olive oil for just 2 to 3 minutes. This gentle heat releases lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb. Step 2. Add a pinch of black pepper and a small clove of crushed garlic. Why? Because both help your blood vessels relax and improve circulation. Essential for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Finally, Step 3. Eat this mixture 30 minutes before bedtime. It's light, soothing, and supports both digestion and relaxation. People over 60 often wake up at night due to acid reflux, overactive bladder, or restless nerves. Tomatoes, when used this way, can help balance stomach acids, relax your muscles, and reduce inflammation that disrupts sleep. They even contain trace amounts of tryptophan, an amino acid your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, your natural sleep switch. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.